Hey, welcome back, all you DIYers today. Working on a Jeep, and hey, you ever had something like this happen to you?
I'm gonna knock you crazy! You're gonna rip the
Alright, so if something like that happened to you, today, I'm going to show you how to get it fixed. These little nylon rings down here on the very bottom. Alright, you can see these little rings right here, right on top of there, and there's one inside of that too. I'll show you the package that I got. There is going to be a matter of just taking something. I tried to get it off here already. Wasn't coming off that easy, but I'm going to get a little chisel out or something just to break that thing in half. Probably even an old screwdriver or something just to be able to split it, get it off of there. And then you got to take this out. I believe that's a T25 maybe. We'll double check, but take that out. And we got one on both sides. Hopefully we'll be able to do it from just leaving the seat inside, but we'll see how it goes. All right, so I want to show you kind of what this is what we're actually going to install today. And I believe I maybe have bought, I don't know if I bought this through Amazon or Etsy. It has been quite a while since I've gotten it, but for some reason I've been putting it off, putting them on there. And inside, look at there, comes all the instructions and everything, how to put everything together, how to do it. Of course, the pieces here, and well, heck, right there. There's information right there. There's StableSeat.com. They're on Facebook, Instagram, and like I said, there's probably even more stuff out there than this. This is just where I happen to get this one at, and we're gonna see how it works out. Hopefully, this rattling will stop. All right, so another little screwdriver here. If we can. That was way too easy. All right, I'm gonna go get the other torque wrench. Where do you get this thing out of here? Or the little Torx bit. All right, so wife got me these for Christmas, and got all these little Allen wrench kind of looking things with the T or with the Torx bits on them. But I got long handles and short handles, or short ones. I don't know, but I told you T25 before, and I was way wrong. These are T40s, and get it in here. Oh my gosh, these are, well, of course they've been in here for probably 20 years. Oh, there we go. Well, I didn't think that was going to let me break that one loose, but they're kind of stiff turning, but you can tell here. Let's see if I can make it do it. Yeah, there. So here, not only is it this nylon that was on the outside, but there's also one on the inside. So the little kit that I have comes with both of those. So let's see if I can show you what I got here. So yeah, there's that one, and then this one here. I believe this one here is the ring that slips around the outside, and then I believe this, yeah, this. So here's the deal. I think I got this right. So this one here goes around that top one that I broke off, and then this sleeve goes over the top of it. So then that way it won't go anywhere. And then I believe, I don't know if that goes on. No, sure not. Sure, maybe that's the one on the bottom. But you know what? Come with these instructions right here. That yeah, there's a washer. Yeah, so the bottom one, there's a smaller washer in here too. I'm missing part of it. Maybe if I'd actually read the instructions. Yeah, I think 1, 2, 3. Yeah, maybe there's an inside outside. I don't know, guys. I'm trying to figure this thing out here. Yeah, there's 4 of those, so there's for both sides. Yeah, maybe this is just, you just put this on the bottom one. So let's actually kind of keep going, and maybe we can figure this out as we go here. So that's this done. Yep. So there's the one I just took out right there. You can see that ridge. Maybe you can see that ridge on there or not. I don't know. Maybe not. Kind of see that ridge on there. That thing's worn out. So yeah, one of these new ones on there. Hopefully they'll last a little longer. And since I have that off, this might be the perfect time to go ahead and put this on here. So that one over there. See that going there? I can zoom in on that. And then this goes over the top of that one, just like that. All right. And then now I'll do, to get that bottom one in, bring it up ahead here just a little bit. I'm not resting right on it. Then we can put this back in. Wow. This side is not moving at all. That side's rock solid right there. Now, the other side, I'm sure, has the same problem. Oh yeah, I can wiggle around the other side too. I don't know if you guys can hear that. So I'm going to see if I can work on the other side. If I run into any problems or whatever, hopefully I still don't have to take the seat out. But we'll go to the other side. All right, so I got the inside one off, and look at there, even missing most of the inside of the ring for the inside. So that's supposed to look something more like that. So we'll get that one put back on there. Get everything all put back together. Was a little more difficult on the inside just because you don't have a lot of room there. If I had a short or not a very deep ratchet, that had to be pretty much less than this right here, because the back of that arm was hitting against the inside. So it was, by the time it was coming out, it was as much as it would take. So there you go. We get this one put on the inside, and we'll check it out and see how tight everything is when we're all done. Hey guys, I just wanted to kind of close this one up here. I want to bring you back. It's been, a couple months since I did this. Man, I'll tell you what, those little nylon washers right there, hopefully you can see them down there. They're holding up great. There's no more rattle in that whatsoever. So if you got a little rattle in that Jeep TJ, those seats, that's exactly what the issue is, and hopefully that'll help you out and get that thing fixed up. So see you guys next time. Like, share, and subscribe. See you guys later.